Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heidi and I like to do nails using full cover tips. I usually use Max Estrada's Enailcouture system, but lots more brands are getting on the full cover tip trend, and Daily Charme is the latest to release their own collection. It's called the nail extension system, and I bought a few products to try it out for you guys today. I usually get all my Swarovski crystals from them, so let's test it out and do some comparisons. For those of you who don't know, full cover tips are basically like press-on nails, except without the cheap glue. You're using a glue that you actually cure on under the UV lamp, and it looks just like a sculptured nail or an acrylic nail. I went ahead and picked up their Diamond Shine Gel Top Coat. This is a no-wipe gel top coat, and as always, all the prices and products will be linked down in the description bar, so be sure to check that out. The next thing that I picked up was their nail tip extension gel. This is what you're going to use to actually adhere their tips onto your fingers. And in the past, I've only used Enailcouture's press-on gel, so I thought this would be nice to try. Next, I got some Swarovski crystals, and it's funny because I actually thought they sent these to me for free as like a gift, but then I remembered that I bought them. So that just goes to show how much crap I buy. Lastly, here's the actual full cover tips. I picked up extra long Coffin just because I never had the extra long Coffin before and any of the other brands, so I thought this would be nice to try. It comes with 275 nails in 11 sizes. I also picked up a few things from Enailcouture. Their packaging is super cute. I love the pink. I wanted to try their new DIY gel. I think I'm going to do a video on that next. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing the DIY gel. It's supposed to like make it way easier to use the full cover tip method. So I'm interested to try that. And I thought it would be nice to compare the tips, like the quality of the tips from this to the Enailcouture ones. I really like the Daily Charms because they actually come with their own case. You don't have to buy the case separately like you have to with the other brands. And I love this shape so far. I like how it comes with like detailed instructions on how to apply them. Nice sizing chart for you. I noticed that these nails were super thick, so I really like them so far. Daily Charm did have more products, by the way, as a part of their collection, like a primer and base coat and all that, but it was too expensive. I didn't want to buy everything. I thought I would really quickly compare it to my go-to Enailcouture Coffin tips. Now these are the regular Coffin, not the long Coffin, so it might not be a fair comparison. However, Daily Charms is a little bit more expensive than Enailcouture, so I just wanted to see, like, is it worth it to pay the extra amount of money? Like, is there really a difference? Because what I noticed from watching videos on YouTube is that a lot of these full cover tips you can get on like AliExpress and they all seem to work just fine, but I did hear that some of them are like made of ABS plastic, so they might be of less quality. However, I don't know particularly that I could say if it's worth paying the extra money for Daily Charms tips versus Enailcouture's tips. The Enailcouture Coffin tip is on the left and the Daily Charm long Coffin tip is on the right. As you can see, they both look pretty similar, but I will say that the Daily Charm tip just felt very much so thicker, and I think that's just because it's longer. I heard that the Enailcouture long ones are thicker as well, but I don't have it to compare, so all I know is that the Daily Charm one just felt more durable. I'm just going to start by seeing which tips fit my nails properly since I've never used this brand before. I decided that I want to try this new peel off base coat that I got from Enailcouture. They just released it and it's actually a water-based peel off base coat. I thought it was gel, so I was very confused by the consistency when I was applying it. It didn't seem like something that you would cure under a UV lamp, so I had to actually go on the website and read the directions, and I realized that it's water-based, so it's supposed to just dry down. I didn't really like that particularly, but I just went with it. I'm not gonna lie, the nails popped off way sooner than I wanted them to. Like, they were popping off while I was doing them, so I think I need to practice more with using that base coat, or either it might not be either one for me. I was really pleasantly surprised by how thick this extension gel is. I was hoping that that meant it was more durable and it would keep the nails on longer and just have a stronger hold. So I'm really happy that it's this thick. And I did go ahead and do the left hand off camera, so I'm just showing you how I did the right hand. Be sure to cure in between each finger with a flash cure. I link the flash cure lamp that I use from Amazon down in the description box, and I included a screenshot on the screen. It was $20 and it's basically a good XVX dupe, and it's hands-free, so you don't have to like fumble with trying to get your finger to stick to your nail while holding the UV lamp. I decided to do a really quick and easy design just so that I could test out these nails. So I'm going in with these two polishes that I got from Secret Nail Affair. If you haven't seen my Secret Nail Affair haul, I'll have a video attached in the cards. I'm going in with a smoothie buffer to just rough up the surface of the nail and remove the shine. They say that this helps the gel polish to stick better. I really wanted to use these new nail bling Swarovskis that I got from Daily Charme, but I noticed that my Zulaze bling adhesive was actually glued shut. So we're just going to use some Gorilla Glue to use these nail charms with. Afterwards, I'm going to top it off with this No Wipe Diamond Shine Gel Top Coat. My bling adhesive got dried and glued shut, so I wasn't able to use it. So I had to go in with some Gorilla Glue. It does the trick. And I'm using these butterfly charms that I got from Secret Nail Affair. Once again, I'll have the video linked in the cards. I love these nail charms. Look how flexible they are. Like the wings move. Here's a boomerang I took on Instagram showing how flexible the nail charm is, and then we're going to go on with some cuticle oil and stick around for my final thoughts. My overall first impression of the Daily Charme nail extension tip system was that it appeared to be very high quality. I love the presentation, the packaging. The price point could be better, but you get what you pay for when it comes to Daily Charme. They definitely mark up their prices a little bit. They're not on the cheaper end of the spectrum, but I'm satisfied with my purchase. I do have to try this again because all my nails popped off since I used that peel off base coat. So I want to give it a fair shot by using a regular base coat and seeing if this lasts longer. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment and let me know what type of content you want to see next. Bye!